Everyone is using this type of characters in their videos. One of the best benefit of using these type of character is we can use these characters video in replacing A-roll clips, and we can take more benefit of these characters when we can't get copyright free clips. If we get it, we have to purchase it, and in today's video I will tell you how to create this animated characters in 3 easy steps. So watch the video without skipping. To create this, we need a character which we will get from this Lexica art website. After opening this website, we have to write a prompt. So I need a character who wears a hoodie. I will type create a man wearing hoodie and cap in anime style. Then press enter. Lexica will suggest you so many cartoon characters, and you can download any character which you like. So I like this one, I am downloading it. Now we need a background for our character. For that we have to command a new prompt in Lexica. Create a gaming studio type image with PC and large windows with a table on front looks realistic. Lexica will suggest you too many backgrounds. You can download any one. If you don't like these backgrounds, you can also find it on leonardo.ai. I am pasting here same prompt and wait to generate it. So I like this one, I am downloading it. Now I have a studio and a character also. Now we have to match our character in this background which looks realistic. First of all, we have to open a website which names is remove.bg. After opening this website, you have to upload your character and remove its background. Now download it and open PixArt application and import your background and perfectly add your character on it. And you can also add a mic, it's on your choice. Then save it and open any video editing software which you use and open it. Import your picture which you created on PixArt. You need a lip sync mouth animation materials uses in this video. You can get the link in the description. Now remove its green screen. And perfectly adjust it on character's mouth. Then you can see your animated character is Reed. You can use this type of animated characters in faceless channels. That's all. See you in the next video. Until then, please like and subscribe to this channel.